Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Todd Cox of Yavapai Foot and Ankle Center, and today we're going to be discussing peripheral vascular disease. Joining us today in our conversation is Tom, a vascular technologist who works with us here at Yavapai Foot and Ankle Center. Tom, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Dr. Cox.
So Tom, what we're talking about when we talk about peripheral vascular disease, specifically we're discussing disorders of both the arteries and the veins. Disease of the arteries and the veins is a contributing factor to open wounds on our lower extremities and amputations as well. And so one of my objectives as a podiatrist is to prevent ulcerations, to treat ulcerations, to prevent amputations ultimately. Can you tell us a little bit about what it is that you do for us here?
Sure. So by using ultrasound, we can look at the arteries and the veins. Particularly arteries, we are assessing the blood flow, looking for atherosclerosis or plaque that builds up in the arteries that can limit the blood flow through the legs. Ultrasound will help us determine the severity of that plaque and just the overall circulation of the legs, and also the veins, the valves that are in the veins that help the blood return as well. Mm-hmm. So the combination of the two can give a full assessment of the arterial and venous, the circulation of the blood flow in the legs.
Right, yeah. And then once we have that information, that helps us determine the next course of action, how we treat the problem that a patient or an individual may be having in their legs and their feet with their circulation. And one of the things that's really great about Tom and having him work with us is I can tell you many times I've had patients, thank us for having you here and the convenience of it, so they don't have to go to an outside facility to do that. It's very easy and convenient for them, and so we appreciate having you here with us.
Glad to be here.
Well, that about sums it up for our discussion on peripheral vascular disease. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us and follow us on social media. Thanks for being with us.